Hi, I'm Sushmita. I'm a dancer. Basically, I love dancing, and my skin type is combination. I used to get really bad acne when I was in school. It made me feel very self-conscious. I tried bunch of different treatments, but nothing really seemed to work. Eventually, I found a skincare routine that worked for me and helped me with my acne. It's still something I struggle with from time to time, but I feel a lot more confident now that I know how to take care of my skin. Just like every teenager, I looked up on internet and I was overwhelmed with the excessive information of what to try, what not to try, and I was very confused. As someone who is combination skin, I always go for products that are oil-free, won't clog my pores, and reduce inflammation. And if it's backed by science, it's a cherry on top. After my hectic dance rehearsals, I would be left with no energy to follow a complicated skincare routine. So that's when my friend suggested me Bioderma Sebium range. A cleanser, a soothing micellar water, a moisturizer, and I'm all sorted. With my constant fight with acne, I was left with irritated and inflamed skin. So I was looking for a moisturizer that would help me with my irritation and reduce my redness. And Sebium Hydra Moisturizer worked perfectly well for my skin. I started using it through a recommendation by a friend, but the reason I still use it is because it has been effective on my skin. It understands my concern and it has also helped me gain more confidence and their commitment for healthy skin. I think one important lesson I have learned, it's important to not let your acne define you or affect you. It's a common condition many people deal with and it doesn't make you feel any less beautiful or worthy. So be yourself and enjoy every moment of your life. Hi, I'm Sushmita. I'm a dancer. Together, let's talk acne.